Hi there, students. What's the difference between agony and anguish? Well, both agony and anguish talk about pain, physical and mental pain. So, my tooth was agony, and I finally had to go to the dentist. The torture that they inflicted on him caused agony. He was in a state of great anguish because he was worried about his family. Okay, so you can use both agony and anguish to talk about physical pain and mental pain. However, I would restrict my use of agony nearly always to physical pain, whereas the word anguish, I would talk about mental pain, mental suffering, worry, stress. Okay? So, yes, you can use, he was in agony, worrying about his exam results. But I think anguish is a much better word. And the injury caused him great anguish, physical pain. But here, agony is a much better word. Okay? So, agony, I would stick to physical pain. And anguish, I would stick to things that cause mental suffering. Let's see. What about the origins of these words? Well, agony comes from ancient Greek, from agon, a contest, a match. And I guess if you're in real physical pain, it's a contest between you and the pain, and you have to fight the pain. Anguish comes from angustia, which means tightness, narrowness, or straits. And I think this word straits, we then go to stress, angustia, straits, and therefore distress, dire straits. So if you're in dire straits, this is mental anguish. Yeah, if there's a contest, you are fighting the physical agony of it. Okay, so you can use both anguish and agony to talk about both mental and physical pain. However, use agony for pain, for physical pain, and use anguish for mental suffering and torture. Notice, he was in agony. Yeah, he was suffering a lot. He suffered great anguish. He was in anguish over his financial situation. He suffered great anguish, worrying whether he was going to lose his job or not. Okay, so in agony, in anguish. To suffer agony, to suffer anguish. And that's about it. So remember, I need the formality as well. So, agony, neutral formality, you can definitely use it in an informal situation or in the most formal text. Anguish sounds a little bit more formal, but I'd only give it a 6. And I think, again, you can use this in an informal conversation and a formal document. So remember, agony, physical pain. Anguish, mental pain. Easy to remember. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.